William Smart's latest venture, Stokes 14, represents a sophisticated evolution of the live-work typology he championed for 2 decades in Surry Hills. Nestled in the industrial heart of Alexandria, New South Wales, the project serves as both the headquarters for Smart Design Studio and the architect's private residence. This dual-purpose structure was born from a desire to push the boundaries of urban efficiency, particularly following a global shift in how we perceive the balance between professional productivity and domestic tranquility. A primary challenge of the site was the immediate industrial surroundings, which often prioritize utility over aesthetics. To combat views of mundane rooftops and parking lots, Smart utilized a design strategy centered on selective framing. By employing solid walls with limited, strategic openings, the architecture directs the gaze upward toward the sky or toward enduring natural elements like local trees. This intentional curation of the outlook, combined with low-set windows that invite the sun in unique patterns, effectively transports the inhabitant away from the grid of the city into a serene, light-filled sanctuary. The materiality of Stokes 14 pays homage to Alexandria's heritage while elevating everyday industrial components to a level of high craft. Adhering to local conservation regulations, the building utilizes brick, concrete, and steel in innovative ways. Notably, the brickwork eschews traditional mortar for terracotta tile glue, resulting in a refined, precise finish. Other elements, such as unpainted galvanized steel window frames and a robust industrial roof, resonate with the neighborhood's workshop aesthetic without sacrificing the elegance expected of a world-class design studio. Beyond its physical form, the project serves as a manifesto for urban sustainability. Smart argues that city-based projects have a responsibility to embed sustainable practices into the metropolitan fabric, potentially reducing the need for remote power infrastructure. For the architect himself, the ultimate success of Stokes 14 lies in the psychological threshold it creates. Despite the proximity to his practice, the residential upper floor offers a monastic calm that provides a genuine sense of departure from the workday, proving that high-density urban living can be both durable and deeply restorative.